Hi guys, welcome back to Daisy Graze. Today we're going to do the... Hi guys, welcome back to Daisy Graze. Today we're going to do the Shed Wars Gladiator challenge. Darren and, well, actually the whole team really come up with a craft slash build, and today we're going to go with craft. So come along and join us. So now that it's somewhat round, I'll get a tenon on it. It's just a little bit safer. I'll put it in the jaws instead of just held together by not too much. So that bit there is probably the worst bit as far as can it fly out and hit you in the head. Just getting it round. This is probably a bit too big for this lathe, but anyway, I haven't done it for a couple of years either, so you know, but a little bit rusty. But let's get a tenon on this, and I'll get it in the jaws, and then I can start playing a little bit more. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but the tenon's angled down so that when the jaws go on, makes it a lot harder for it to come out and a lot more safer for me. There the jaws, make life a lot easier. Do we know what it is yet? So we'll probably just give this a bit of a sand up now, and probably wrap it up. Maybe I might do some more, don't know. So that's all turned for now. I do have a thought I might do a little bit extra to it. It's just having a bit of fun here. So give you a look at it, at what it looks like now. So that holds basically a dozen eggs. So it's something you could knock up. If you had a little lathe, you could knock it up. But I don't think I'm finished with it. Come along, we're going to try something else. Now that's a technique called shushugiban. So forgive me if it's, I said it wrong. I'm not real good on pronunciation. Basically, I only use it when I'm using crap wood, or cheapo wood that I've got laying around, and it can sometimes make it look prettier. Not sure it did on this occasion, but I'll have a look after I give it a bit of polish. So back on the lathe, I got it as slow as I can get it, and we'll give this a coat of jam. Alright, so I gave that a bash, not sure how it went, but we'll take a look at it. So guys, that's our take on the Gladiator challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, that's our take on the Gladiator challenge. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments whether I should have left it burnt, or maybe I should have kept burning it like down to the ground. Let us know what you thought. Thanks for joining us. If you liked the video, like, share, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. But also, this will probably be our last video for the year. We'll come back later on in January. Hope everybody has a really good Christmas and just a break, if anything else. But we celebrate Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody out there, and look forward to seeing you next year.